Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look at how to improve your email open rate. And I'm going to share with you a free tool called Send Check It. It's an email subject line tester. It's completely free to use. There's no opt-in, there's no download. You just click the link in the description and it will take you to this page. Excuse me. And I'll give you a quick demonstration today just to show you how easy it is to use this tool. And the benchmark that you're looking for within HubSpot here, they're saying what is a good open rate for email. So just check your emails and check your stats. The average is around 20%. And what they're saying here is that your results will be dependent on the health of your list, but also the quality of your subject line. So if you can improve your subject line, then you're going to get more opens, and that means more leads, more commissions. So if you're an email marketer, maybe you've got an autoresponder, you do broadcasts, safe lists, solo ads, anything email marketing related, this tool will help you. So very simple to use. All you do is, says here, enter your email subject. So let's say an example, it gives you a score. Let me show you how to get a bad score first of all. So if you go free email list builder, and all you do is test that subject line and it brings you up a score. So you're getting a definite red light here, only 59 points. You're looking to get over 90 points. And I'll just show you here the rest of the tool. Let's get a decent one going in here. Let's put in here how to improve your subject line. Let's use that one. So what you'll see now here, the score's gone from a red light at 59 points, and we've now got 103 points and an A+. Very solid subject line that should perform well for you. This is taken from 100,000 other emails, 100,000 other emails sent by marketers just like you. So it's a comparison. So when you scroll down here, it gives you lots of other different components of how to use this and improve. So the scannability is higher than 5. You're looking for lower than 5, so we can improve there. It tells you about the reading grade. So this was written at a 2nd grade level. Writing at a lower level tends to generate more opens. So that's a green light there, because anything below, the average is 7th, but we've got 2nd. So that's really good. Talks about the length of the subject line. The average is 52 characters in 8 words, and we've got 32 characters in 6 words. So this is good. Lots of other little tips in here as well. So it says don't make it too short, and if you go long, then some tips there. So it gives you a little preview, which is really good, because you can see here how your email subject line reads on desktop and mobile. So on the desktop there, it's looking really good. But on the mobile there, you're only showing so many on the mobile phone, the cell phone. You can see there how many characters are actually showing. Talks about the sentiment, negatives and positives. This is a really good one, because sometimes you might receive a lot of emails that get reference or forward. We haven't put that in our subject line. 1% of emails are still using that. using that format. So the word free wasn't found in the subject, so they're saying there to avoid that at all if possible. So you're getting lots of different little tips and hints on not just what to use, but what not to use as well. And it says here that still 2.34% using the word free. No potentially spammy words found. All right, so this is really getting the green light here is really important, because if you get any spam words within your subject line, you're going to go straight into the spam folder. Not only not get opened, but not get seen. No bad tab words, no exclamation marks, no all caps. So nearly 10% of emails are still using all caps. And it says here that it looks like you're shouting and you look like a spammer. No excessive pronunciation. It says here I can improve on personalization. So, and also a subject question. So 10% of email subjects are questions. So it says here you could try a question. So it's giving you lots of little tips here. Naturally engaging, and a question typically result in higher open rates. So asking questions is a good strategy. I use the all lowercase, which is gives me an A-. It says it's a stylistic choice that can make your subject line stand out in a crowded inbox. And it can also show that it's a less corporate message. And also emojis can add a little bit of fun too. So you'll see there that all those little tips that you're going to get, it's a great way to test your subject lines. I'll just show you here a list builder that I personally use. This is called SendSteed. It's forever free. So if you haven't started your email marketing yet, then SendSteed is a great option for you. You can send out, it's part of the Leads Leap suite of tools where you can get a free lifetime membership. So this is what I personally use for my email marketing and the tools I use to build my affiliate marketing business. And as a free member, you can send out broadcasts, but as a pro member, which is $27 per month, then you can have unlimited subscribers. And that's one of the reasons why I use SendSteed and Leads Leap. So I started out for free, and then I promoted the tools, and then I upgraded to pro. We're not here to knock other autoresponders or list builders, but what happens is when you start to build up more subscribers with a lot of the other email marketing services, your monthly price goes up the more subscribers you get. So I like Leads Leap and SendSteed because I'm just paying that one price, and I'm also getting all of these tools as well. With the free membership, you can have a list builder and you can broadcast, and you get all the free tools as well. So I'll put a link in the description if you want some more information on SendSteed or Leads Leap. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And please share the video with anybody who you think will get value from it. If you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions at all about SendCheckit, this software here, then please leave those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you. But I'll put the link in the description. It'll take you to this page. No opt-in, no download, just start to use it. And it's It's a great tool to start to improve your open rate. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I'll put my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. Thanks a lot for watching, and bye for now.